Hi children, welcome back to our channel Bhavyamahas Kids Tutorial. Children, today we will learn about IGH words. Okay, IGH trigraphs. So children, we know that in some words we have to that words are ending with IGH. So IGH three letters, these three letters togetherly make a one sound, that is I sound. So what we call for this IGH togetherly called makes one sound I. Okay. H I high. N I t night. L I t light. Th I t tight. B r I t bright. L I t flight. S I sigh. M I t might. R I t right. S I t sight. T I t tight. Fr I t fright. D L I t delight. Highway. Midnight, sunlight, highlight, tonight, brighter. So like this IGH words, three letters togetherly, these IGH three letters togetherly makes a one sound, that is I sound. Okay. So these are the some examples for the IGH words. So children, along this we have to write. I will show you how to write these IGH words in the cursive writing. Okay, let's begin. High. H I G H. High. H I high. Night. N I G H T. Night. Light. L I G H T. Light. Third. T H I G H T. Height. Bright. B R I G H T. Bright. Flight. F L I G H T. Flight. Sight. S I G H. Sight. Might. M I G H T. Might. Right. R I G H T. Right. Sight. S I G H T. Sight. Tight. T I G H T. Tight. Fright. F R I G H T. Fright. Delight. D E L I G H T. Delight. Highway. H I G H W A Y. Highway. Midnight. M I D N I G H T. Midnight. Next, sunlight. S U N L-I-G-H-T. Sunlight. Highlight. H-I-G-H-L-I-G-H-T. Highlight. Tonight. T-O-N-I-G-H-T. Tonight. Brighter. B-R-I-G-H-T-E-R. Brighter. Okay, like this we have to practice IGH words, that is I trigraph IGH words. It makes togetherly IGH words togetherly makes I sound. Okay, so like this we have to practice these words. Okay children, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial.